Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepe mining company token. Ticker symbol is Ppmc. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it looks like they are going to have a white paper available soon. On their webpage, it does say white paper. When I click on it, nothing opens up yet. But yeah, it looks like they're in the works of a white paper here. Now, their webpage is Ppmining.com. Pretty easy to find that there. And they do have a Telegram that you could follow at Pepe_mining_company. Ticker symbol Ppmc. It says they have 7,774 Telegram members. 265 of them are online. Now it says Ppmc is on Solana. So this is a Solana token. It has the contract address right on their Twitter there. Or sorry, right on their Telegram. Maybe on their Twitter as well. Right on the Twitter as well. So I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen here as usual. It is at Pepe Mining. So this is going to take you to all the links, basically. You can see on their Twitter, they have a link to their Telegram. They have a link to their webpage. They have 7,662 Twitter followers. They just joined in June 2023. 114 tweets so far. And the contract address is right there. And then if you check out their pin tweet, their most recent pin tweet here, it says that this token is going to be available tomorrow, January 15th, 8 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Ppmc, and then simply just buy the token. Now, as usual, Mexc is also having a Kickstarter event prior to this listing, starting today, January 14th. And there is a reward pool of 20,000 USDT up for grabs. And basically you vote with Mexc and to share massive airdrops, and they have the details about that on Pepe Mining's Twitter there and at Mexc_official's Twitter. So check those out as well. Pepe Mining Company aims to reshape perceptions of meme projects, engaging a diverse community to explore the potential of cryptocurrencies through active involvement and creative strategies, nurturing a movement that celebrates memes, creativity, and community spirit. Now there is a total supply here, 420 trillion Ppmc tokens. This is on the Solana blockchain. Now it's a deflationary token because on their Sol scan, they have a little bit less than 420 trillion. They're 419 trillion, 999 billion, 997 million, etc. But yeah, it looks like it's a deflationary token. 1,012 holders so far, so they're doing very well. 4 decimal places on this token. So since this is a Solana token and it doesn't have the Mexc global listing yet, but it does have over 1,000 holders so far. Obviously, these holders got this token some way already. So most likely it is available on some decentralized exchanges like Raydium. So basically, if you wanted to get this token prior to the Mexc global listing, you could get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Solana, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your SOL for the Ppmc token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Ppmining.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. So on their webpage, it does have a link to Orca. So maybe, it could be on Raydium, could be on Jupiter. There's a bunch of different decentralized exchanges, but for sure, it says Orca on their webpage. So it'll take you over to orca.so. And right above that is the contract address on their page. So if you just want to go to Orca instead of Raydium there, then it's most likely going to be on Orca as opposed to Raydium, because they don't mention Raydium. But it could be on Raydium or Jupiter as well. So the Pepe Mining Company, a Solana-based token designed to provide passive income. So it says there's going to be passive income. Now, I just noticed also on their Twitter here, it says they just submitted a listing request on CoinMarketCap. So they are going to be listed on CoinMarketCap soon. They have the ticket number on their page. So that's why it's a great idea to follow their socials to find these new announcements like the Mexc global listing, CoinMarketCap. They have all sorts of memes, of course, right? Tons of memes on here. So imagine Ppmc as the wacky Pepe mining company, where instead of digging for gold, they're on a quest for the rarest treasures, internet memes. They've turned staking into a virtual game of hot potato. Stake your claim, and if you're quick enough, you'll dodge the meme explosion and earn yourself a reward in the form of a dancing frog gif. It's like playing musical chairs, but with crypto and Pepe memes. Or you could think of this magical pizza delivery token, except instead of pizzas, it's delivering you money straight to your wallet while you binge watch your favorite shows. It's like having a mini ATM that occasionally pops up and says, "Surprise, here's some cash for your excellent lounging skills." Now, believe it or not, that is like the whole webpage. So until their white paper comes out, there's not going to be much more info. Now, it doesn't say anything about taxes. It said low tax, so I'm not sure what the taxes are. If you have to set slippage on Orca or not. They actually also just applied for CoinGecko, and they have the request ID number for CoinGecko on their Twitter as well. But if you scroll through their 100-something tweets or go through their Telegram, you're probably going to find a couple more tidbits of information, maybe taxes, things like that. Now they have the contract, of course. Oh, they're on Bird Eye, so you could track the chart on Bird Eye, and maybe they have tax information and stuff on Bird Eye as well. But yeah, Bird Eye is a great place where you can see the charts. It says in the past 24 hours, this token's up 2.38%, so that's not significant or anything. It does have fully diluted market cap on here, $429,899,778. And total value locked, a little bit over 50K. And let's see here. So, yeah, it doesn't say anything that I can see about taxes or anything. And nope. Anyways, I mean, I'm sure they'll announce it somewhere. Hopefully they update their webpage and come out with the white paper and all that stuff soon. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.